Hello, I'm Wolver, and today I'm showing you the tool that's going to 10 times your outreach forever. Let me ask you something brutal. How many hours have you wasted sending the same email over and over and over again? Copy, paste, send, copy, paste, send. 50 times. 100 times. It's exhausting. It's boring. And honestly, it's stealing time you could be using to actually make money. Most people spend 3 to 4 hours sending 100 emails manually. Not anymore. Today I'm showing you the Email Sender GUI, the tool that does 100 emails in 3 minutes while you go drink a coffee. And the best part? Every single email looks like you wrote it personally. Look at this. This is not some cheap web app. This is a professional desktop application built with Python, runs on your computer, no monthly fees, no limits, just pure power. Let me show you what this beast can do. First, the Recipients tab. You need to email 500 people? Watch this. I click Import CSV. I select my file, and boom, 500 names, 500 emails loaded in 2 seconds. Look at that. Clean, organized, every recipient ready to go. And here's the genius part. See that name in curly brackets in my subject line? When the email sends, it automatically replaces that with each person's actual name. John gets Dear John. Sarah gets Dear Sarah. Maria gets Dear Maria. Every single person thinks you wrote just to them. That's the difference between 1% response rates and 30% response rates. Second, the Compose tab. This is where the magic happens. Subject line, exciting opportunity for name. Message body, I write my pitch once. Professional, persuasive, polished. End look, HTML toggle. Send plain text for that personal feel, or send beautiful HTML emails that look like a professional newsletter. See that? Full formatting, colors, buttons, images, your brand, perfectly presented. But here's the secret weapon, the delay control. I set this to 3 seconds. Why? Because sending 500 emails instantly gets you flagged as spam. This delay makes you look human. Your emails land in the inbox, not the spam folder. This one feature separates professionals from amateurs. Third, the Results tab. Watch what happens when I hit Send. The Results tab opens automatically. And look at this, real-time tracking. 1832 sent to John Doe. 1833 sent to Jane Smith. 1834 sent to Tech Corp. Every single email tracked, logged, timestamped. If an email fails, maybe the address is wrong, it's logged too. You know exactly who didn't get your message. When it's done, look at this summary. Sent, 497. Failed, 3. Failed emails listed right there. Fix them, resend them. No guessing, no confusion, and you can export everything to a text file for your records. Here's what makes this tool unstoppable. This connects directly to Gmail servers. Your emails come from your real email address. People reply to your real inbox. No sketchy third-party addresses. No donut reply at spam.com. It's you, professional, legit, trustworthy. And because it's Gmail, you get Gmail's reliability. 99.9% uptime, world-class infrastructure, for free. 500 emails per day, every single day. No monthly caps, no surprise bills. That's 15,000 emails per month for $0. Let me show you the before and after. Before this tool, you spend 4 hours writing emails. Your hand cramps, your eyes blur. By email 50, you're making mistakes, wrong names, broken links, embarrassing typos. You hate your life. After this tool, you spend 3 minutes setting up. You click send, you go make lunch, you come back to 500 emails sent perfectly. Every name correct, every link working, every person impressed. Which person do you want to be? This tool pays for itself in one use. If you're a freelancer, pitch 100 clients in one afternoon. Land one client at $1,000, and this tool just made you $1,000. If you're a job seeker, reach 50 recruiters simultaneously. Get one interview, and this tool just launched your career. If you're a business owner, announce your launch to every lead you've ever collected. Make one sale, and this tool just paid for itself forever. If you're an artist, promote your work to 500 galleries. Get one exhibition, and this tool just changed your life. This is not a game. This is a money printer. So here's the deal. You can keep doing things the hard way, Spend 4 hours doing what this tool does in 3 minutes. Make mistakes, miss opportunities, stay small. Or you can get the email sender GUI1 payment, lifetime access, unlimited emails, free updates forever. The link is in the description. This is Wolver. Go download it, start sending, start winning. Peace.